Hi, and welcome to Sophia. The Sophia platform is a wildly helpful solution for colleges and universities to retain their students longer and make sure all students have a clear path to graduation. For students, it helps them save a little time and money, all while being able to learn on their own terms. The Sophia platform is an extremely simple and user-friendly way to take a college course or two, unrestricted from the structures of traditional classes or online. We spent the last 10 years refining and responding to the needs of colleges and their students, and now we have over 50 courses available, all of which are reviewed and recommended for credit by the American Council on Education, or ACE. Our courses are reviewed by ACE faculty, and their evaluation of our work serves as the benchmark for each course's development. Each course you take with us is completely self-paced, and there are no classes to attend or weekly assignments to complete. Our courses are built on a competency-based system. That means you work through your enrolled course, and you'll encounter explicit objectives, and you'll apply your knowledge in line with the course content as you go to demonstrate specific skills that you've learned. Here, you're given a safe place to fail, try again, and excel, and ultimately master your course's content. All of our courses can take place on any device, PC, tablet, phone, etc. You can even download the content if you want to work offline. You'll also note that there are no textbooks or additional items to purchase. Everything you need to succeed is on the platform in your course shell. You'll never have to link out to a new site. Here's where you'll start your course. First, make sure the course title up top matches the course in which you enrolled. The three main tabs will guide you as you go: the course dashboard, the score report, and the student guide. If this is your first time, it's best to start with the student guide. In the student guide, you can read through a quick summary of how your course works. All our courses have similar structures, so although the course content will be unique, your experience should be familiar to you no matter the next course you choose. In the student guide, you can review how challenges work and how the milestones and summative assessments all function. Units are made up of challenges from learning you can expect in the real world. They typically have about 5 to 10 practical problems to solve, and you get more than one attempt to solve them. Depending on the course you enrolled in, you might see a final assessment that's either called a final milestone or a touchstone. The only difference here is that a touchstone is graded by a real-life grader at Sophia. These are things like final assignments or other pieces that work that are better assessed by a human. Once you get a sense for how your course works, the course dashboard is where you navigate into and out of for all course content and your assessments. You can first start with the beginning unit and open up your challenge here. Here, feel free to watch the introduction or unit overview by your course instructor. One thing you'll notice about Sophia courses is that all your learning takes place in line with the content. You can submit your work as you go and whenever you think you're ready. As you move through each unit, you'll be prompted with rationale if any challenge question you answers are incorrect in real time. Keep progressing through the course as you see fit. And don't forget, at any point, you can always check Make My Favorite Instructor if you want to learn from this instructor in another class. Now, depending on which course you enrolled in, Sophia offers 10 hours of Smart Thinking from Pearson. Smart Thinking matches you up with an online tutor. With this free service, you get valuable feedback on writing and any assignment beyond what Sophia graders offer. Sophia also provides 24/7 chatbot support. If you want to connect beyond that, we have coaches you can talk to through Zoom, email, chat, or phone. If you haven't logged in a while, we'll also send you a quick reminder to see if we can help nudge you back in. At any point, you can keep up with your course in the Score Report tab. Although overall progress will be up here on the top of the course dashboard, the Score Report breaks everything down for you. Columns show your correct responses against the total possible for each assignment. That's challenges, milestones, and your final assessment. At the bottom of the Score Report is your grand total. If you ever have any questions about how your grade is being calculated, don't hesitate to reach out to a Sophia coach at any time. The milestones in your course test the mastery of concepts taught, and you must score at least 70% to move on. You can retake a milestone at any point, and practice milestones are there to serve as your study guide if needed. When you're all done and your final grade has been confirmed, you can request that your Sophia transcript gets sent directly to your school or to you. You can have this done automatically, or you can wait until the time is right and when you're ready to transfer. Every day, we're excited to support thousands of students on the Sophia platform with courses that transfer back into their home institution and fit into their program. We hope we can always be an alternative option for every student, and ultimately, we want to help all learners stay on their path to graduation.